afternoon.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, southeastern Franklin County in southeastern Indiana, western Butler County in southwestern Ohio, northwestern Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Harrison, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hamilton, Fairfield, Oxford, Harrison, Bright, Ross, Dartown, Dunlap, Logan, Riley, New Haven, Millville, Scipio, West Harrison, Mount Carmel, Rockdale, New Trenton, Interstate 74 at U.S. Route 52, McGonigal, and Okina. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 74 in Indiana between mile markers 167 and 171. Interstate 74 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.